This is what we will build today. It is simple, but this little page is the first break in a much bigger structure. By the end of this journey, we are going to build a complete functioning website together. In the last video, I shared why I'm coming back to web development, and maybe you saw a part of yourself in that story. Today, we are going to take our very first step. We will write our very first HTML page, and I promise this isn't just another tutorial. This page, it's the foundation of our future website. We will create a simple page with a heading, a paragraph, and a link. It doesn't sound like much, but it's exactly how the internet is started. From these humble tags, entire digital worlds are born. Let's open up our code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use anything that lets you write plain text, even Notepad. So in here, I'm gonna create a file and I'm gonna name it index.html. Once I have index.html, I will go ahead and write the structure that we have seen in the previous video. The HTML, the head, and after the head, we have the body. Okay, now inside the head tag, we will have a title, and this title will be Welcome Back. After that, we come to the body section and we will write some things here. Firstly, we will write a heading, and in the heading we will say my comeback to web development. After that, we will have a paragraph that will say this is my first step toward rebuilding my skills and this website. After that, let's create a link, and for that we just need to open the A tag and close it again. We have an href for the link, and this href will be the link that we want to go if we click it. So for now, let's just say hashtag. We want this link to come back to the same page again, and then I will say here join the journey. See that? Just a few lines and we already have something real. Each part of this code has meaning, and we will explore all of it as we go. Okay, now that we have this file, we can just right click it here, copy the path, open up the browser. Once I have the browser, I will just paste the path, and here we go. We have our first website. Now, what's happening in this code? We have an HTML tag that wraps the whole page. We have the head tag that includes the title of the page, and the title will be in the browser tab. You can see here is welcome back. Then we have the body, and the body includes the content. For this example, it will be a heading, a paragraph, and a link. These tags are the building blocks of every site on the web. These might seem small, But trust me, it's powerful. We just wrote the code that the browser can read, interpret, and show to the world. That's what web development is, turning ideas into reality. By the next video, try adding another paragraph and maybe an image. Personalize it, make it yours. This is your site too. Next time, we will dive deeper and we will make this page more personal and more complete. Step by step, tag by tag, we are going to build something real. I'm excited. I hope you're excited too.